How to fix Snapchat something went wrong. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then go to the Snapchat app right here, click on force stop and after that go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and now what you want to do next is very simple. Click on data usage and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it. After that, go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it like this. After that, what you want to do is just restart your phone and reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later, thank you so much.